Hello children, this is your art teacher Sylvia Dasgupta from KVK Art Puram. Today I will teach you relief sculpture. You have learned painting, you have learned design, you have learned some paper cutting, you have learned origami. So this time we will go with a new thing. Sculpture, it is a 3D form where you carve or cut out the full form which you can touch, feel, you know. Over here, relief sculpture means there is a surface where you sculpt a little part of it, but the remain is attached to the background. So now what you require for this? You require over here, come and see, you require cardboard. Okay, you can take any size, but I will suggest you that don't go for very small size. At least take 20 by 20 centimeter or 15 by 20 centimeter. Go with the size. Now, first, before you start with any work, what we do a layout. So for me, what I want to make is I'll show you here. Over here, I want to draw a bird, like I want to show some birds, okay, and birds family is there. I want to show they are in a nest. There is the branch. Okay, this is what my idea. While doing automatically, if I want I will add, if I want I will remove. So let's start. First I'm going to cover this cardboard with green color, so I want to keep the background green. Yes, children, here I am keeping all the layers ready so that I can show you immediately. This is a bird I'm cutting. I need then the wings I'll cut and keep it so that it will be easy for you to immediately see how I'm doing it. So let's start, children. This is my surface or background, you can call. This is also a cardboard. Just over here I am using paper. Now I will be using, I'll just make a tree. Okay, I'll just check over here how big, how much this shape or space I require to make this set this bird. I'm going to set this bird here. There it will be their nest. I'll show. So this way I'm going to do it. So this way I'm cutting the branch to show that there is a branch over here. I'm cutting it. It should look good. Now first what I am going to do is, first I have to place this branch somewhere here. I'll keep space. In painting I told you that foreground, middle ground and background. This is your background, this is your middle ground and this is your foreground. For any landscape you require this. I will use this in middle ground, little towards foreground. So this way I'll paste it. This one I'm going to paste this portion. I'm gluing it. Okay. After gluing I'll paste it, keeping in mind that I'll keep this branch towards middle ground. So this way I paste it. When you are doing the work, maybe a little part can go move a little outside, no problem, no issue. Now I will make the nest. Now to make the nest, simply what I require is the shape of this nest, and then I'll add on it. So if this one is my nest, I want to make the nest this way. Okay, I want to put the nest this way, and I'll add all these on it, so that it gives a real look. So this is my bird. Okay, this is my bird. I can show it over here. I'll put it over here. Okay, so this way you are going to stick these cutouts to give a look of. So this way you are going to cut out and show the babies of this bird. So this is the way you are going to finish it. Okay, and what else you can do, because you are not going to add up any other things. This way you are going to finish it. What else you can do over here? You can do one thing, you can put some leaves. This way you can, I'm using a little different texture of cardboard. When you remove the cardboard, you find this type of textures, you can use it. Okay, so this way I am making those leaves. I will finish go. Over here for wings, I'm going to use this blue color. Okay, and nowhere else I'm using. See, only over here I'm using a little blue color, so that it looks nice. I'll give a nice look to it. Small blue wing I can add up. Okay. Small blue wing to it. And at the background I'll use one, I'm going to use a sun or a moon shape of this. So I'll use a white color. So this way I pasted sun to just give a different look to it. So this is the way I completed the relief sculpture. Students, you can make different relief sculptures. Use very limited images. Like over here you find you do the, so we can make different images. These are the images, so you can try at home. Thank you children, and go for it.